Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. This is lesson 29. We're going to be doing ayahs number 88 and 89. We did that during the live stream, but we'll do it again now, inshallah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. We are here. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wa qalu. Wa qalu. Qulubuna. Qulubuna. This waw extends the lam just slightly. Has nothing on it because it's a sukoon. وَقَالُوا قُلُوبُنَا قُلُوبُنَا. Right? Now down here. غُل غُلْفٌ. This dream again, you can pause here. وَقَالُوا قُلُوبُنَا غُلْفٌ. بَلْ. This lam here has a shadda. So this lam could join with that lam. Balla. Balla. Write that. Okay? Like that. You read. Balla'anahumullahu. So we'll slow it up. Balla'anahumu. Mu. I'm going to drop the alif lam here. Mullahu. Balla'anahumullahu bikufrihim bikufrihim faqalilan ma yu'minun. Faqalilan, this an mixes with the meme. Faqalilan ma yu'minun. Okay, the next ayah. Many have been asking what app I use. I posted that before. This is a Tafsir Quran on Apple. Okay, you can download it. And this is Uthmani text. Okay, Mus'haf Uthmani text. وَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ. We've done this one a lot. This one should be easy. وَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ. Okay. وَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ كِتَابٌ. Kitabun. This extends the ta. It's a long fatha. Kitabun. So you have bun and then you have a meme. What happens here? You say the this would be kitabun, but the assimilates with the meme. Kitabun becomes kitabum, boom, okay, like assimilates with the meme. Kitabun min indillahi. Kitabun min indi. This noon, sakina, followed by dal, followed by a dal, makes it ikhfa. من عند الله مصدق لما. So مصدق لما. This lam mixes here with this. Instead of becomes ul. Right? مصدقul. مصدقul. Instead of مصدقun. مصدق لما. So musaddiqul lima ma'ahum wa kanu min qablu. Noon sakina. Don't you guys love noon sakina? It keeps coming a lot. Has a lot of rules. Min here followed by qaf. It's a letter of ikhfa. وَكَانُوا مِن قَبْلُ. Yes. Let's bring that up a little more so you can see it. Yes. تَفْتِحُونَ. Okay, I'm reading slower. Yes. تَفْتِحُونَ. عَلَى. Okay. So this is the lam, ala, and then you're going straight from here to this lam here. Ala alladhina. Okay? Ala alladhina kafaru. فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ. Notice the ja has a mad, right? This is a mad, you just extend it. جاءهم. Meme, with this meme assimilate, that's why you have a shadda on it. جاءهم ما جاءهم ما عرفوا 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 كفروا به. You're going to stop here if you want. كفروا به. به, right? So this is a ha. Stop به. فلعنة الله فلعنة الله على this lam again. We've done this we did this word earlier. على. You don't read this. You drop this and you go straight into the lam right here, what has this a sukoon. So la and lam here with a sukoon becomes lal, right? Lal. Alal kafirina. Okay? Kafirina. Alal kafirina. We'll stop there and we'll be inshallah uploading the next lesson right away. Assalamu alaikum.